Hello and welcome to another edition of Check. You Got This. My name's Peter Van Brady, your host and founder of SoCal VA Homes and author of Avoiding Mistakes and Crushing Your Deals Using Your VA Loan. Pretty popular on Amazon. You can pick it up for $19.95 there or get a complimentary copy for free on our website. Today, we're going to talk about VA loan limits in Orange County. This can be a pretty confusing topic based on a long history of changes. Okay, to net this all out, there are no limits. They're gone as of 2019. You can finance up to whatever your VA lender will allow, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. However, there are product categories, loan product categories of VA conforming loans and VA high balance loans. Usually going to be using this one in Orange County because property is a little bit more expensive. All right, let me explain a little bit. I'm going to share my screen and give you a little bit more history here. Okie dokie. We are going to hide me and talk about the Navy Blue Water, the Blue Water Navy Vietnam Veterans Act of 2019. This is the piece of legislation that got rid of the VA loan limits and allowed the VA guarantee to expand its reach, so to speak. Its intention was to pay for some great new benefits. For instance, more benefits for Agent Orange affected veterans from Vietnam. And to pay for all this, they raised the funding fees. For instance, if you're a first-time user of your VA benefit, there's now a funding fee of 2.3%. Used to be 2.15. Cash out funding fees went up a little bit. So the VA program has always been designed to essentially guarantee the first 25% of the loan amount all the way back to when it started in 1944, I believe it was, when the original VA loan limit was 144,000. That all went up each and every year as average home prices went up. And then in 2008, we had this thing called the Housing and Economic Recovery Act. So prior to that time, there was a conforming loan amount all the way across the country, and the VA would guarantee 25% of that. Well, the government-sponsored enterprises went into conservatorship. As if that isn't confusing, they're already basically government-backed. And out of that came these little pockets of high balance communities, typically on the coastal areas, where there now was two product categories, the conforming loan limit and the ability for the government-sponsored enterprises, Ginnie Mae in this case, that provides all the liquidity for FHA and VA loans, for Ginnie Mae to buy these high balance loans. And so let's take a look at what that did along the way. Here we are in 2021 as I record this, and the conforming loan limit in all these California counties where we work is 548,250. But when you get down to say Orange County, right here, it's 822,375. So the agencies still function in this manner, particularly for conventional loans. But as it relates to VA loans, it doesn't matter anymore because the high cost loan limits are gone. So essentially what that means, and we're going to go back to chatting here. What that means is the difference between the high balance limit and what you can finance before a down payment has been eliminated. There's no down payment requirements as long as your lender is willing to loan up to like $1 million, $2 million, $3 million. You get 100% financing. There's no more math that requires that you put down 25% of the difference between the purchase price and whatever that loan limit used to be. So if you want a deeper dive of more history and all that good stuff, click the link below. You can go to a different video that's much longer about loan limits. Let me point out a couple other things about our website. Down at the very bottom of the page, there's a search engine, a white search window. You can enter anything in there. We've got hundreds of pages of content on this website that will help you get educated. Look for what other things you're interested in. And at the top of the page, you'll see intel and resources, some great tools like your VA mortgage loan payment calculator and affordability calculator, all that good stuff. Give us a call if we can be of some help, and we look forward to talking to you. Okay, thanks for watching.